This is the Bubbles game board, and the way this is set up and the content of all of these different bubbles you see here on the screen, it varies from game to game. Common for all is that there are often two goals and a set of bubbles which are different aspects of the organization. In this case, we are using the framework from emotional intelligence to outline some things that should be discussed. In this game, we are talking about cross-cultural competencies, and while we do have the bubbles up here on the game board, we also have a couple of stakeholders who will react to the decisions you make all throughout the game. These bubbles can be interpreted in a way where your influence, your decisions throughout the game is going to influence how these bubbles are filled out and what aspects of the organization you seek to improve as you go along in the game. Just like all the other Acti game concepts, these are dilemma type games, so there's no way for you to get 100% in all of these different aspects. It's a matter of choosing and figuring out what do I find to be the most important thing here. Once we have checked out our stakeholders and read through the introduction to the game itself, we can click the continue button to see the options available in this chapter. We have 20 hours to spend in this case, and we need to find the option that we think is the most relevant here. Let's imagine I want to go with option number 3 called the stories. It will cost me 5 hours, and once I hit choose, I will then get some points based on what happens on the game board. So we have all of these different bubbles that are impacted in different ways. And alongside that, the two goals are going to fill out as well. We get some feedback about how this helps the cooperation internally within the team and how the culture is influenced in that sense. It also tells me something about the product launch and how far we've come with that whole process. Clicking view result will show me which bubbles are filled out and which of the two goals have been filled out as well. So we got 66 points in total for this choice. I was able to improve the hope and the openness internally in the organization, but none of the other bubbles filled out. So maybe for my next decision, I should focus on that. I recommend you check out one of the bubbles games, find one that has some topics that interest you and check it out.